If I want to make money in 2025, this is exactly what I would do. My name is Wendy. In February 2024 until now, I've made over $650,000 because I actually learned the proper way to do stuff. Prior to that, I was trying and spending a bunch of things on things that just didn't work. So in this video, I'm going to break down what works, what you need to look for if you want to earn in the online space, and a few things what not to do. Let's get into it. Okay, so first things first, you need to have something to sell, whether it be a product, a service, or a program. So, like an Amazon physical product and a service like coaching or maybe chiropractic services or an actual training program, e-learning or educational program. So products, if you look at Amazon, for example, or into any type of product that would be an affiliate product, you're looking at 3 to 25% in commission. Now, services, you can be anywhere between 50 to 100% because some services can be offered as affiliate offers. But if you choose to create your own service, your own coaching program, and you can do that and make 100% profit from that. Or you can find a program that you are able to make money from. So there's that option. You need to have one of those three things in order to make money. Some of them have restrictions, like on location. If you're in a chiropractor, well, that would be restrictive as far as, how far you can physically adjust people if you have a physical location. That's why personally, if you go into the online space and deal with things like Amazon or digital programs, those are typically global. So your reach is open to a wider market. If you want to learn from the exact same program that I took, then just put, yes, I do. I'm going to send that off to you right away. But let's get into what it means to have a sales funnel and why you need one. It's funny that, as far as I can tell, 9 out of 10 businesses do not have a sales funnel. So it's especially important if you're in the online space, but it is equally as important if you have a brick and mortar business. And the power of a sales funnel is why I believe I've had the success I've had in the online space, because I've actually learned that over the years. Many programs and products that I tried in the past did not have a sales funnel. So once I learned the power of a sales funnel, then that is what made the world of difference for me. So what is it? So we have social media. You're on YouTube right now. That's a social media platform. There could be Facebook, Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, all these things. And people have videos and information out there, and people are interested in that product or service or program that you offer. So then you give them something that they are interested in having. So then they put in their name and email address that captures it as a lead, and you start down the sales process. So this is where automations kick in. So you go to the sales process, you get automated emails, and that's what really helps you to start learning about what you're interested in. It gives you the education. It gives you the ability to email back and forth with the person so you can ask your questions. And then you get that know, like, and trust filter factor built in, and that's what allows you to make the sales in the online space. And this is missing in so many businesses. This is like, we call this our freedom machine, because literally this is out there freely working on our behalf, on my behalf, so that I can live life. I'm not tied as the salesperson, like the one I have to greet a customer and I have to talk to them. This automation does the work for you. Now, there's something to do with when you reply back to emails, you get me, a real person replying back, which is great because that, gets that connection. But this gives people the information they need immediately when they want it. There's no waiting for a person to get back to you, because maybe I'm sleeping. This is global business, right? It runs 24/7. So it enables, you to have a business that's working on your behalf while you're living life. Now, I chose to go with a digital program, and this one gives me 100% profit. So to me, that was a good bang for my buck, so to speak. And it's in the e-learning industry. And this product is in high demand. This is what Forbes says, that social media marketing skills in demand. It's going to be worth $1.5 trillion by 2030. So to me, that showed me that this is an in-demand skill set that is continually going up. So when I found this program, this Legacy Builder program, this is the e-learning program that I'm currently learning from. Now get this, it's a course, it's teaching me all the ways to make money online. But after I get certified, I'm able to then have the master resale rights of these programs to then make 100% profit and share them with others. So you don't have to go and try to find products like an Amazon or anything else or all the affiliates that make sense. You do not have to go and look for a service. You can just resell the e-learning program that you are taking. So that's how I started, because I was complete newbie. I did not want to try to figure out how to create stuff, how to find something that was in demand. I didn't know these things. So the fact that the program that I'm learning from is now able to be shared with others so they can learn the same thing and I can make the profit, it just blows my mind that this is out there and able to be offered. I know schools teach education, right? Schools have something they learn over and over again. They teach the same class and they make all the money. This is totally different. This is the master resale right. So once you learn and you get certified, you are then able to reshare the program and make 100% profit. Isn't that amazing? So the program that you're learning from, you can also earn from. We call it a learn and earn program. Now it has a built-in sales funnel. This is mine. So this is how a sales funnel works within the system that I'm this e-learning program. So everyone gets their own personalized sales funnel like this. Now that sales funnel, people want to learn what it is that we do. And they want to understand how this e-learning platform works and what it's going to teach them and all this other stuff. So they put in their email and they say, send me that blueprint. Then it opens up a page to here, which is a video explaining all about it, giving you some testimonials, how this e-learning program works, gives you the PDF blueprint. So you have everything you need to make an informed decision. Now, then you can also go directly to my website from there, which gives you even more information. So by the time you reach here, you have 99% of the information you need to make an informed decision. And this is all done automatically. That's what I call it, automatically. So these things are out there working for me 24/7 because of a Freedom Machine, the sales funnel. Then the sales funnel, you go into the automated emails. Now those emails, keep you up to date on when a live webinar is happening, because we love to do live webinars. It helps to explain the business even greater because we realize people connect with people. So that's why we do a live webinar. And it also keeps you, gives you more information about the business so you can make the best decision for yourself. So we've just covered one, you need a product. You need something that you can sell. Now, the thing I like about this business is I don't have to do any of the selling. This Freedom Machine sales funnel does all that selling on my behalf. So if you say, Wendy, I'm not a salesperson, neither am I. This is what I love about this exact system. If you want to grab that webinar right now, put webinar, I'm going to send it off to you so you can learn about it. But this next step is probably the most important step if you're a newbie wanting to get started online. The third thing that I feel is most important is you need to have a community of support. We have a community of over 50,000 people. Does that not tell you how amazing and in demand that this skill set is? Numbers don't lie. So this is telling you that people are wanting to learn this skill set. I don't care if you're a brick and mortar business, if you want a digital business, this skill set is what you need. I actually took this skill set when I was still working. I retired from my job in October of 2024 because I earned enough money from this business. But when I was working there last year, I took this digital marketing skill set. I set up an automated sales system with my at the entertainment farm that I worked, increased their profitability by 30%. That is the power of learning digital marketing. Now, I wanted to make sure if I joined something that I would have tech support, live tech support. They helped me. I'm not techie. So the fact is that I could learn, set up an automated system, that all these things came with the blueprint. I didn't have to pay more for that. It was all included in my program. One and done. It's like a business in a box. We had live mentoring, live coaching and training that keeps us up to date on what's going on in the digital space. If there's something new, we are going to know about it. So if you're interested in learning more about this business and learning more about this program, because this is what's taught me to go from zero to over $600,000, then you need to check this program out. I'm telling you, go into my sales funnel, see how it all works. So if you're a complete newbie, you want to venture into making money online, then I suggest learning from a program like me, which was very beginner friendly, good for my 55-year-old brain, and it was able to walk me step by step through it. And the most amazing thing is that I could then share with others so they can have the same program and build their own success in the online space. Once you learn from the program, you can then open up additional income streams if you want. I currently have 13 different income streams, and I'm working on my next one because I like to diversify. And one of the ways that I'm earning is right from YouTube. So this exact channel, I'm actually now monetized. And I learned all that from this program. So if you're wanting to take the step, then I suggest going to the description, clicking on the link, putting in your name and email, going through my automations, the Freedom Machine, check it out for you. Ask me any questions. I'm here to answer them for you. Always happy to help. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Take care.